god, he did put his whole nose in. I feel like he's gonna drop. I feel so low to the water. Oh my god! I can't breathe! What are you doing? We're putting this video on. We're putting this on the internet. Tatum is swimming with horses. No, hey. I'm taking him out.